How to fix Face ID not working on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. First, ensure your face is fully visible. Make sure your face is unobstructed by accessories like sunglasses, mask, or hats. In low light conditions, move to a brighter area to add the true depth camera and recognizing your face. Next, clean the true depth camera. Gently wipe the front camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dirt or smudges that might interfere with Face ID functionality. Next up, check Face ID settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. Now type in your phone's passcode. Once you're in this page, scroll down, click on the option Set up an alternative appearance and follow the on-screen instructions. Likewise, you can reset your Face ID. For that, click on the option of Reset Face ID and go through the process. Disable for the option Require attention for Face ID. This feature ensures that you are looking directly at your iPhone for Face ID to work. Disabling it might improve performance. Next up, what you can do is check for the updates in your device. For that, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you find any existing updates over here, just update your iPhone software to its latest version. Likewise, restart your device. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Face ID issues on your iPhone running iOS 18. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.